Today, I am here to assist you all in installing Kali Linux in virtual machine on Windows 10 desktop. Some pre-requirements are as follows. Internet connection. Disk space, minimum 21 GB. Win RAR extractor. Before starting, do like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Firstly, open Google Chrome. Search Kali on Chrome. Click on first link. Click on download icon. Here, you can see various ways to download Kali Linux. Kali Image Virtualization ARM for Mobile Cloud. Click on Virtual Machine. Here you can download for 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine. I am going to download Kali for my 64-bit VMware. Click at the corner download icon. It is getting downloaded. Till it downloads, let's see this website. If you want to learn Kali Linux, here it also provide online course. To learn this, you need to just register for the course and start learning. Wait 5 seconds until it downloads. It's done. Now let's go to extract the file. Select File, right-click, then extract the file using Win RAR. Files are getting extracted. This will take time. It's done. Let's check all the extracted files. Here you can see all our files. Now, we need to download VMware Workstation. Once again open Chrome. Search VMware Workstation. Click on first link. Go to Products tab, click on Products. Go to Desktop Hypervisor, then click on Workstation Player. Click on Download for Free tab. Here you can see a blue highlighted link as Go to Download. But before that we need to check the version of the workstation. Always download latest version. Here you can find two links. One is for Linux and another one is for Windows. We are going to download for Windows. Click on Download now. If you want to learn more about virtualization or workstation, you may visit these links. VMware is downloaded now. For my convenience, I am keeping all these in same disk. Now start VMware installation by double-clicking on downloaded file. Installation started. Click Next. Click on I agree, then Next. I am going to change my file location from C drive to D drive, as I have kept all my related files in D drive. You don't need to change this. Just click Next. Here you need to uncheck this second checkbox because we don't want to become part of that. Click Next. Then Install. Finish. We have successfully installed VMware Workstation. Start VMware. I already have this here because before recording I was using it. For those who are completely new to this, click on Player. Then File, then Open. Now select the Kali file which you have extracted, then open. Now wait till it starts Kali on VMware. Don't do anything here. Now it's done, but you must be wondering about the password. I knows the password and ID, but it may change for new version. Then how will you find it? So again go to Chrome and search Kali. Click on default credential link. Here you can see the default username and password. Now it's done. We are on Kali in Windows. Here you can use Kali Linux tools.